Welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we will see about the margin property. Okay. So in the previous video, we have covered the what is the padding and how to apply the padding property in the CSS. Okay. So now in this video, we will cover the what is the margin property and how can we apply this margin property to the element. Okay. So margin are used to create the space around the elements, or you can say that outside of a defined borders. For example, I have a border means it will create a space between the space outside the border. That is called as a what? Margin. Okay, so now see here, you might have seen the like word or a PDF or something like that. You might have given some margin to that pages, right? So now if I want to give some particular space around the border means I can go with the margin. Okay, so now let's see with the one example here, like with the here it is a padding. Now this is a space, whatever the space. Okay, so like here outside the margin, sorry, outside the border. So if you are giving the some space, if you are making a space, it's called as a what? Margin. Okay, so let's see with the practical session. Okay, so let me create a one new file here that is called as a margin. Okay, margin.html and shift+1 enter. And what I'll do here, I'll just create a h1 element here and heading. Okay, I have done here. If you see that, so let me go live. You can see that heading is created. Now there is like default margin here is like some kind of margin it will be there. For example, what if I give the margin? Okay, so how can we give that? Using a style property only. So I need to add the style tag if I'm using the internal CSS property. So I'll select the h1 because I want to apply the CSS property for the h1. So I'm applying for that. I'll add the margin here. Okay, so 30 pixel. And let's see. We can see it has given some space. So that is called as a what? Margin. Okay, don't think that so margin and paddings are the similar. Margin are it is giving a space around the border. Okay, so that is called as a margin. When it comes to the padding, it will give the space between the content and the border. That is called as a padding. Here also it is the margin is a what? Shorthand property. If you want to use the all four corners, you can use the what? Different. If you want to apply some different property or different value for the different corner means you can use the here 40 pixel. There is like this is called as a top, this is called as a right, and I'll apply the different property also. 40 pixel, top, right, bottom, and left. Okay, so top, right, bottom, left. Okay, so these are four corners. It will apply the different only. If you want to use the one on a single properties means you can use the margin top. Okay, 50 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, margin right 30 pixel, and margin left so 40 pixel. You can apply how much you want. Like if you want to apply single property using the margin means you can use the what? Top, bottom, right, this kind of property. This margin is called as a shorthand property. You can apply within a one liner. This is called as a one line property itself. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the what is the margin. Okay. So in the next video, we will cover with the different CSS property. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.